Hi guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to showcase my new Notion template called Blueprint, which is a CRM and a bidding platform for construction industry. So if you are running a small construction firm or if you are a solo operator in the industry and you're trying to organize your bids, your leads, your pipeline, then this one could be for you. So let me first show you how the template looks like, and then I will dive a bit deeper into what it contains. So first of all, what you can see here is the pipeline value. So this is the headline chart. So you're able to see what is the current size of the pipeline in monetary terms, and also split by different stages. So whether how much, basically how many projects of what value you have in the funnel from lead stage all the way to the negotiation stage. So these are the headline charts. Then we have actions, so ability to add new records to the template. And then we have navigation, which gives you quick access to all these different databases and points in the template. Then we have kind of the main quick peek view on the main CRM, so on the different projects that are in the pipeline, and different views on the pipeline. So one is focused on the value, the monetary side. So you're able to see what is the deal value, what's the probability of conversion, and then what's the resulting probability adjusted value of those projects. And the second view is kind of more actionable next steps view, where you can see the same projects, but where you can see essentially what is the immediate next step that needs to be done, days since last contact, and the last contact. So this gives you, yeah, kind of like a nice and simple, quick, actionable view on your pipeline. And the last item is bids. So this is a bids database, and then we have the bid documents and templates. Okay, so now to give you a bit of a more in-depth understanding of how the template works. So it's essentially set up around three databases. So the first one is clients, which is a very simple one, as you can see here, but this is essentially a record of your counterparties. So clients, meaning a person working in a specific organization with some basic details like their website, contact details, etc. So this just helps you to kind of set up your database of clients. uh, then the second level is the project itself or themselves. So let me open up a sample project, like Bluebird Elementary Classroom Edition. Uh, of course, I can create a link to the client, right? So that is the point, that each project or multiple projects actually can be linked to one client, which I shown you in the previous table. And when it comes to projects, again, we have like a set of few helpful parameters that we track here, right? So that is the first of all, it's the status, of course. So where in the pipeline this sits, what's the expected deal value, what's the expected conversion probability. We can of course change this to any percentage that we feel like, and this will automatically calculate the adjusted value according to the probability. Last contact, days since last contact, next step, and also work tags. So you can quickly kind of tag this according to the type of work that you expect that needs to be done in that project. And then we have additional space for any meeting notes, documents, to-dos, and so on. So each project looks kind of like this. So that's the second layer. And the third layer is the bidding and the bid documents. And essentially, you can use this or not. So basically, you can also do just with this layer of the projects. But I think it's also helpful to have additional database which helps you to track the bid itself on a particular project. So we will have here the total bid size, the bid format, the project or opportunity this is related to, whether it's been submitted or not, and of course the outcome of the bid. So the bids are a very simple way to kind of track what's been communicated to to the clients and the opportunities. And the very last thing is the bid documents and templates, which is a very simple database or very simple use case, which just helps you to store some of the things that you might be reusing in your proposals or bids. So things like, sharing standard terms and conditions with your customers, or having some email templates pre-made or pre-ready here. And what you can see here is just very simple examples, but uh, but I found this to be quite helpful for the things and assets that you reuse, to have them in some kind of organized space, and being able to track, of course, what's the document type and so on, and just be able to kind of quickly copy and paste from here. So that's what Blueprint is about. As I always say, this is a template, of course, so it's very easy to adjust to what you might need to your different processes, adjust the different parameters that you track. But I think that it gives a nice kind of framework that you can already use out of box, as you can see it here. But you can also very easily adjust it to the way that you work, and to track all the things that you might need in your construction business practice. So that's pretty much it from me on Blueprint. If you have any questions or ideas or feedback how to improve this template, please do get in touch, because that is always super helpful for me. And if you like what you see, you can find the link to Blueprint in the description of this video. And I truly hope this template can be a useful tool for you in running your business. So thank you very much for checking this one out, and have a great day. And I hope I will see you in the next one.